I often need the official Notion icons when creating promotional content for my Notion templates. So I've created a tool that allows you to easily copy and paste or download them in different formats and any custom color with just a few clicks. And today I'm going to show you how that works. Alright, welcome to my website, and now I'm going to give you a quick tour of the Notion icons gallery and all the different features that it has. We start off by checking out the gallery, where you can see that we have all the icons that you can also find in the Notion app. And to be able to actually find the icon that we need, we can just use the search bar up here, which when you type a word, for example, Apple, it will only show you the relevant icons for this search term. So let's look up helicopter or something like arrow. You will see immediately the entire gallery list only will show the ones that have a fitting tag for this keyword. The second row allows you to quickly choose between the Notion native icon colors, which you have the color picker here. The colors are exactly the same as in the app. And you can also see that when we switch the toggle to dark mode, that the color will actually change just as it does in Notion. So you can get exactly the color that you are looking for. And if that is not enough, you can also click the custom color button to choose whatever color you want. Maybe a complete black or even white. Whatever you want to choose, it's completely up to you. Another cool feature that I've implemented is actually the ability to not just download the icons themselves, but also app icon versions that you could use, for example, on your phone, simply by switching the button up here to app icons. And then you can define the color of the icon just as before. Let's say we want to have pink icons, but we also want to have a black background. Then I can just click on the background color here, choose black down here, and you could now easily copy and paste or download these icons as app icons and use them on your phone. For this, the PNG format is probably the preferred format. And now it's time to show you how to actually get the icons, and this is super simple, and there's two different ways of actually getting them. The first one is you can make a simple left click to copy the path or data of the file, depending on whether it's the SVG or PNG format. But for Figma, this makes it super simple to copy them in, because all you have to do is make a left click on the icon, then you switch into Figma and you paste the icon and have it in here immediately as a scalable vector. The other way of getting the file is as a file on your computer, and for this you simply make a right click. This will download the file as either an SVG file, or if we switch the toggle, as a PNG file, as you can see in the menu up here. And lastly, you can also easily download the entire icon pack in whatever color or background setup you have created by simply using the download all button. So by clicking this button, you get a zip file of either the SVG files, or if we switch to PNG and then we click the button, it will take slightly longer because PNG files as rasterized images are a bit bigger than SVG files. You can see the progress actually just here in the button. It's still preparing our zip file, but shortly we should see that also this download starts. And there we go. And now we have both a zip file of all the SVGs as well as all the PNGs in the color code that we have selected. So this makes it super simple if you want to keep the library on your computer. And that's already everything you need to know. You can find the tool on my website, which you can find via the link in the description below this video. And if you find it useful, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel for more Notion related content. Also, feel free to sign up to my newsletter to get exclusive launch discounts for all of my upcoming templates.